Ever wonder why some call to actions just get ignored while others seem to drive tons of clicks? When it comes to getting conversions, where you place your call to action buttons can be just as important as what they say. But here's the tricky part. How do you know where the best spot is for your call to action? Is it better near the top of the page, in the middle, or at the bottom? Many websites lose out on conversions because their call to actions are just not the right place for users to notice it or act on them. Figuring this out can feel like a guessing game. To maximize conversions, think about your visitors' natural browsing habits. Most users quickly scan a page, with their attention naturally gravitating towards certain spots like the top, the right-hand side, or areas with eye-catching visuals. By strategically testing different call to action placements, you will understand where your visitors are more likely to interact. So let's dive into how TechLayer can help you set up a quick A/B test to determine the best call to action placement on your website. Start by creating two versions of your page with different call to action placements. For instance, you might have one version with the call to action near the top and another with it in the middle of the page closer to where visitors spend more time reading. Next, go to the TechLayer Journey Builder. Select Add Journey and choose A/B test. Now split your audience, assign 50% to see the version with the call to action at the top and the other 50% to see it in the middle. After a few days of collecting data, head to the TechLayer dashboard to review which version performed better. You will see metrics like click-through rates and conversions, giving you a clear insight in where your call to action resonates with most visitors. Want to boost conversions on your website? Try TechLayer's A/B testing feature and find the ideal spot for your call to action. Sign up for our forever free version today or book a call with one of our experts.